Everyone, welcome to the channel. So I am very sure that you have an idea of where we are at the moment. Well, we are in Biriwa, in the central region of Ghana, and here is FLC to help you own a land here in Ghana and build your home. So right here we are at Biriwa Hilltop Ocean View Plan, and as you can see, we have a purchase here, 2 plots of land which has already been cleared. So we are here to show you how to plot of land looks like at Hilltop Ocean View in Biriwa, and then have you check how the area looks like and to view the sea as well. So right from here there is a road that comes right from the very top up until this very section. So there will be a road from here going this way. So in between this very pillar and this one is a road. So there is a road between this very 2 plots and this plot over here. And there will be a road at the back of this one. So this very road will go behind this pillar, right? So there will be a road behind this one as well, and a road at the very front, at the front of the plot. So the road comes at the back, turns to this very side in between this plot, and then goes from the front down. So yes, this is the 2 plots of land at Biriwa Ocean View. The place is so calm, very serene, and obviously you can see the ocean from the top. This place is going for a very cool price. If you are interested in owning a land here in Ghana and enjoying this view at the top, please, every information will be left in the description box. Contact us, reach out to us, and we will help you secure yourself a plot of land here, and you can start with your building project. So the 2 plots of land starts from this very down to the other pillar. This is 80 by 80. So from this very pillar it goes down. So this is 80 feet, and this is 160. From here it goes down to the far end of the pillar, and the breeze here is away. You can see the ocean right in front of you. And so if you are interested in such a place, to have such a place for your building or any project at all, please reach out so you can secure the front, because those at the front are going to enjoy the rest. If you would also have the ocean view for yourself, but then it wouldn't be as much as those that will secure the very front. So if you are interested, please be fast about it, and let's help you secure a land here at Biriwa Ocean, Hilltop Ocean View. Yeah, so right from this very pillar here, it goes to the other pillar at the other side, which is also 80. So we have 80 feet by 160. 80 feet by 160, making a 2 plot of land. Yeah. Looking at where I am standing at the moment, you can have a clear view of this very area. You can see the buildings, you can see the ocean, the sea as well. And the sea is not actually far from here. It's you. If you can even check very well, you would see there is a road, the main highway. I mean the main road. You can see cars passing. Yeah. So it will take you like 5 minutes to get to the roadside, and the sea is just opposite the road, at the opposite side of the road, so it's not far at all. And so yeah, from where I am standing right here, the view looks amazing, and you can imagine who will be enjoying, you know, the person that will be purchasing this very side of the plot, like will have a very good view right from here. Yeah, so this is Biriwa Hilltop Ocean view. The place is calm, the place is good, the view is awesome. I mean the serene is calm as well. So a project has already started. People are building their houses here. So we will walk right from this very 2 plot of land and then show you some of the buildings. I think in our previous videos on Biriwa Beach Hilltop Ocean view, we already spoke to you about that. Yeah, so we will walk right from here and show you some of the buildings at this very place, and so you can know that people will be living close. I mean, you can see the building are not far from here, so people are actually living here. And when you come to the top, to this very side, people have started with their project. So we walk down there and then check that out for ourselves. So please come along and let's go.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her.
This is the road in between the 2 plots. I mean the separate plots. So there will be a road in between this very side of the plot and this other side. Yeah. And as you can see, this area is already completed. We have showing that this area right here is perfect. And when you look far in, showing that this area right here is perfect. And when you look far in, someone has already started building, and the other building side is almost, yeah, so people are building, people have started their project. This place is already purchased, as we told you in our previous video, and we have someone purchasing 2 plots right there. This is Biriwa Hilltop Ocean view. If you are interested, please let us know and we'll help you own your land here and then build your home. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell a family member that the FLC is here for you. We are here to help you own a land here in Ghana and build your home. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll be back with more. Until then, have a good day. Bye.